Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I got this nice flowy holiday hair. Like this, all my hairs recently have been pretty much holiday theme. You know, it's winter time. You want those winter colors, those winter curls. Like this is just so pretty. I love it so much. Like I tried to put a little bit of highlight in it, as you guys can see, and I think it came out pretty nice. I have not done like what I did on this wig in a very long time, but before I get too far into it, let me just tell you I got this hair from Nadula hair company. They sell virgin hair, of course, and I love how everybody is doing these boxes, because like the last two companies I've gotten hair from, they all come in boxes like this. Like it's a very classy, nice little box. It comes in a small package. The hair comes packaged inside, and yeah, so I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about this hair. We'll look at the little thing they sent me because it has my address on here, so I'm not going to show the whole thing. But I did get one 20-inch frontal. I got a frontal this time. This is my first time actually doing a frontal myself. Now the thing that I did different with this frontal is that I cut it. I didn't want the ear tabs. I didn't want to have to, like, I'm just discovering that lace frontal wigs, like where I want to be able to pull it back if I do a lace front. And the ear tab and cutting it, like I'm not used to doing that yet, so I didn't even want to deal with it this time. So I just kind of like cut the little ear pieces off. Like I cut about an inch off on each side. So everywhere else I have the lace. And then like right here is where it's cut off. So that's what I did this time, just because I didn't feel like it, and I still wanted to be able to part it in the middle and on the side. So that's why I didn't do a lace closure, because the it's like 6x4, 4x6, 5x5, 4x4, it's 4x4 now that I'm saying it out loud. 4x4 closures, they don't give me enough space to like be able to part it like this and then part it in the middle. Like I don't feel like I have enough space. And with closures I like to move it over. But I saw a video or a couple of videos where people were, you know, doing the whole thing where they cut some of the closure off and just make a big frontal or a big lace closure. So I decided to do that. My first time sewing on a frontal, first time bleaching a frontal, first time doing everything with a frontal on my own. Before I had other people do it for me, but this time it was my first time doing it, and I think I did pretty good. But honestly, this hair is really nice. Like this closure is really nice. I don't think I put any, like, no, I did. I put some makeup on it. But the rest of the hair, when I got this hair, I knew I wanted highlights. I kind of wanted the highlights to turn out a little bit lighter, but I mean, it looks cute like this. And I wanted to have it like a curly texture, like a curly loose wave texture. And whenever you get body wave, like it seems to just fall and it'll be more straight than curly. So I thought loose wave would get the job done, and it does. Like I put wand curls in this, I don't know, like 4 or 5 days ago now, and this is what it looked like. I've brushed it out a couple times and the curls are still there. It's a nice wavy pattern. I love it. So just as an initial review, I really like the hair. I did glue this wig on. I made this wig myself. I used a extra large wig cap. I've used it for some of my other wigs before. I ordered them on Amazon. They're like $2 and they fit on my head. They have a mesh inside dome cap and they have the strap on the band. So it's a nice fit. Just for reference, my head is like 24 inches, like it's a 24 diameter one. That's the wig head that I use. So yeah.